In this video, I'm going to show you best practices for operation of the D-Cut RC-200 rubber wall-base cutter. This cutter can make a straight cut, 90 degrees or 22.5 degrees or 45 degrees. In the near future, we will add settings for 30 degrees and 47 degrees in case the outside corner of the wall is not a perfect 90 degrees. There's a knob on each side of the cutter. When you need to change the angle, you can simply pull it on either side and then release the knob into the desired angle slot. To make a cut, you press down the lever like this. Let's make a straight cut first. When you make a straight cut in the middle of a long piece, you will find the cut is not a perfect 90 degrees. That's because of the shape of the blade, which pushes in when you make the cut. If you need a perfect straight cut, like a piece adjacent to a door trim for instance, you need to make a second cut about an 1/8 inch from the previous cut to take the pressure off the blade. Now you can see it's a perfect 90 degrees. When you make a 45 degree cut, just hold the material in place like this to keep it flush with the guide bars. You don't need to press the material down, even though you see some play when the blade cuts into the material, because this play was accounted for in the design of the cutting angle slots. The machine compensates for the play and still gives you the cutting angle you want. That's the half outside corner, and the other side, the leftover side, is the half inside corner. Don't flip it over for the next cut. Keep the flat side of the material face down and turn it around like this to make another half outside corner. Now you can put it together and make a perfect outside corner. When you cut an inside corner, make a straight cut on one side and cut the other side at 45 degrees. Then cope it with a utility knife like this. Then put them together. That's an inside corner. When you put two long pieces together, cut them at 45 degrees instead of two straight cuts. This is the difference between a saw blade and our cutter. As you can see, it's almost seamless. The RC-200 has 4 wheels. If you need to move it on the job site, just unlock the wheels and it rolls easily. Then lock the wheels in place again before you make a cut. When the cutter is not in use, always lock the handle with the chain provided to keep the sharp blade in a closed position. Make sure you use a metric Allen wrench for any screw adjustments. If you use an imperial Allen wrench, it permanently damages the screws. This cutter is designed to cut rubber wall base only. Cutting anything harder than rubber wall base may damage mechanical parts like the gear teeth or reduce the cutting accuracy. Thanks for watching this demo video. Enjoy your new tool.